So today we are going to be talking about recipe to 10K in May. Yes, you heard me right. So you guys, inside our community, we are hosting the recipe how to make $10,000 in 1 month in May. It's the recipe. So imagine you would have a recipe to make a cake. To make a cake that way is delicious and yummy, you need a recipe and you need to follow the recipe step by step, because if you put a little bit less sugar or a little bit less flour, the cake won't come out the way how it's supposed to come out, and it will be disgusting, right? But if you follow the recipe, you're going to have a yummy cake. This is exactly how our community and our training is designed. We have 14,000 people, actually almost 15,000, inside of our Legacy Builder program, which I joined in November. You guys, 6 months later, I made over $100,000 with this program, following it step by step. My first month, I made $15,000. My second month, I barely touched it, but because it was already automated, I was really sick with COVID, but the automations kick in and I was able to make another $15,000 my second month. 6 months later, I made already over $100,000 following this proven process. So I'm telling you, and please borrow my belief, this program works. It works for almost 15,000 people inside our community. When I started, we have just 5,000. So borrow my belief when I tell you, if we give you recipe to 10K, recipe to success, if you follow it, you will succeed. The only way for you to not succeed is if you would quit. That's the only way. We have 15,000 people almost, and they following it, and everyone is making daily pay. So it's up to you if you're gonna make up your mind and join us. But I'm telling you, we're launching this recipe to 10K May 1st. So it is urgent that you check it out for yourself. Go and visit workingwithandrea.com. Read about it, educate yourself, and you can join us just for $100. That's the lowest package. We have a payment plan, which would be only like 20-something dollars if you want to do that. But if you want to make more money, the higher packages are where you would make 10K. If you join on a $900 level, that's $77 on a payment plan to start with. Learn to make money and finish paying it off with your first sale. Now, you don't ever have to be looking for customers. We show you how to attract customers by copy and paste free ads method. This is the only thing we are different in, and many other courses out there don't have this method. This is why 15,000 people inside of our community is succeeding, because we have the copy and paste free ads method. We also have daily interactive trainings with six-figure earner. You don't have to go and pay $400 for training one-on-one with someone who knows how to do digital marketing, someone who can answer all your questions. You have it all included inside of this program just for one-time price. Please visit workingwithandrea.com. Don't wait any longer. This will change your life. Summer is right around the corner. And if you join just on the lowest level, you have 30 days to upgrade. So you can see for yourself what is all of this about and how 15,000 people inside succeeding. Now, I want to play a short video of one of the customers who started and who actually follow our coach for 2 months before he joined in, and his only regret is not starting earlier. So don't wait any longer. We all spending money on random things what don't make us money. Just invest into education. You have nothing to lose. You invest one time, no upsells, no fees, one time, and you have access to mindset training, everyday interactive trainings with six-figure. We have the copy and paste free ads method, what brings customers to you, so you don't ever have to bother your friends and family. We are so much different. This is not a course to resell a course. You will learn how to be successful in an online space. You will learn how to do affiliate marketing. You will learn how to start your own program if you want, how to build your own community. You will learn how to make money inside of your email list. And even if you don't have an email, we will teach you how to build your email list. This is like nothing I've seen out there. So borrow my belief, join us. The link to start is down in below. Choose one of the packages, and I hope to see you inside our community. And our webinar is also on Wednesday. So if you're skeptical, grab the link and make sure you attend the webinar on Wednesday. We're gonna have many real people talking about how they started and how it changed their lives. So you can be next one. I hope to see you inside our community. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos how to make money online. Bye, guys.
Very first time I found her, doing a live video, of course, I had already made up in my mind that I was gonna get started with whatever this is that she is doing. But I stalked Michelle for about 2 months. Silly me, I know. But at that time, I knew there was just so much on my plate at the moment, and I needed to kind of free some stuff off my plate for me to be able to focus. So lo and behold, the opportunity presented itself for me while I was traveling, still busy. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and lock in my spot, right? Literally, before I even got my website back, I had persons waiting on me ready to get started, right? So in my first week, I'll say it's less than a week, maybe in about 6 days apart, I was able to generate $1,200 using this blueprint. All right, fast forward, because times have changed so much. Less than 2 weeks in the company, picking up my momentum, and about my third week, I literally generated almost $3,000 in one day. Now listen. and I'm blown away by this. I'm having fun. It's not overpowering. I get to do this when I want to put in the effort to go the extra mile, and it's absolutely amazing. The community, love being a part of the community. So many amazing people, the great teaching, the support. If you are on the fence, borrow my belief. All right, borrow my belief, and you say yes to this amazing opportunity. All right.